The mind is the same one which will bring you to the divine, and the same one which will bring you to hell. There's no two mind, only one. But how you're focusing it, where you're focusing it, it is very important. How would the mind transform? It is in constant chanting, murmuring or whispering the divine name. So you chant Om, Om, Om. This is in the Veda. They say the yogi, when they were sitting there, the mind was fully absorbed into the chanting of Om. Of course, Bhakta, you can chant Krishna, 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 Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Whatever form of the divine you feel close to, that one you chant.